smart dealers. And we have the next 25 years to show the world how great we are. Embrace this future where network building is more inclusive, tech-driven, built on compassion, and powered by First Vita Plus. This is the Vita movement of the future. Opportunity-focused and wealth-driven. Let us show the world what it truly means to live life to the greatest, the First Vita Plus way. Enriched, empowered, ultimate. Beloved dealers, we spent the last 23 years expanding a business that we are truly proud of. Now is the time to begin a new chapter with me as we build not just a business, but a movement. Selling exceptional products, sharing opportunity, and building stable and sustainable wealth. I am here to teach you success and to show you the power of a great tomorrow. Let us soar together, helping people achieve prosperity and live with dignity. Negosyo may dangal at pag-asenso na ikaradamanan.